Hello everybody, it's me Cycles Technical. Hope everybody is fine. Today's video is the unboxing for sport headset. Let's start the video. Everybody, this is a sport headset. This is the wireless sport earpods microphone. It is connected to Android phone and iPhone. Let's unboxing. This is a Bluetooth earpods, magnetic. This button is on to and off. It encourages volume sound, reduce volume sound. And there are also 10-minute 15 amp support software agreement 8 to DP1 battery rechargeable, charge time 2H, operate hours about 4 hours, standable time about 100H. Feature the NFC network 30G. I hope you like the video. If you like channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. See you next video.